Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You need a hook that stops scrolling. Begin with a visual shock or bold promise in the first 1 to 2 seconds. Once done, match that moment with a short on-screen title and a thumbnail that reinforces the promise. Make sure to film vertical and frame for mobile, avoid empty space. Also, prepare 2 alternate hooks so you can A/B test quickly. These steps get viewers watching past the first second, which is critical for algorithmic momentum. You should now tighten the edit. Trim to 15 to 30 seconds, cutting any filler so every frame serves the message. Once trimmed, apply quick cuts and readable captions to maintain energy and accessibility, and build a 3-beat arc, problem, action, payoff, so viewers feel rewarded. Make sure to add 1 clear call to action near the end. A single ask increases conversions. Finally, test audio levels and pacing on a phone to match viewer habits. You're ready to publish. Choose a peak audience window and craft a concise title with 1 hashtag and 3 to 5 targeted tags. Once live, pin the short in a related long-form video or drop it into top comments to drive discovery. If views stay low, don't panic, iterate. Change the thumbnail, rewrite the caption, or replace the first 2 seconds and reupload as an alternate. That troubleshooting cycle often fixes discoverability issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.